Welcome back. If you are joining text and numbers together in a formula like creating a sentence like total $100, the standard formatting won't show up unless you format the number inside the formula. So how you can do that? So for this you need to put the equal signs and double quote, type total colon space double quote space, put the ampersand space, type text, open the bracket, select the cells reference, comma, space, double quote and put the dollar signs. Put the hash that represent optional numbers hiding leading zeros, comma, and that adds 1,000 separator. Again, double hash 0.00 that forces two decimal places, filling in 0 if required. Double quote, close the bracket to complete the formula, hit enter, and that's all. Drag the fill handle to apply this formula to the other rows like this one. So I hope now you understand. This is pretty simple and easy. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.